For sale, 1981 Alfa Romeo Spider VELOCE, wherever you say that. I am not an Alfa expert. I'm an early Mustang expert, so I know very little about these cars. Engine was rebuilt professionally 10,000 miles ago. One repaint, original color since the car was new. Southern California car, garage installer most of the time. Top was brand new 1 year ago. It hasn't been driven more than a few miles. It's got 348 Ferrari leather seats, freshly upholstered. New steering wheel. New Wilton II carpet. Couple cracks up on the dash. Speedometer does not work. Odometer reading is 94,500. Not sure when it broke. And the tach works, but it needs adjustment or fixed. It's showing 500 RPM and the engine's not running. Still has the original sticker inside the gas cap. Some paint on it. Inside the trunk is clean. Brand new intake fuel pump just put in yesterday. Tags are current. No air conditioning. I believe the brakes are all new or mostly all new. Spark pump's not hooked up. Go ahead and start it up. I just did a quick wash on the car. It needs to be waxed and detailed. Not sure if the gas gauge works properly or not. It works, but I don't know if it's correct. clear California title. I'll put it up on some car ramps, take some good pictures for underneath. Let me know if you want any pictures. I can email them to you. Seems to drive okay. I've never driven one of these, so I'm not that familiar with them. Horn does not work. On the left window goes up and down really slow. And now it's going up faster. Okay, it comes down slow. The right electric window seems to go up and down fast. All the lights and blinkers seem to be okay. Call me if you have any questions. Thank you, Ron.